Hi guys, it's Kristin with APO Creations. So today I'm going to be making the sea urchin lamp. Sorry for the crunching, maybe. Okay. We'll rip this one in half. Okay, so we got that. We have the sea urchin. We have the acrylic dome. Ugh, not the glue gun again. A couple of shells. All right. All right, well, I wonder if this one's got any batteries. No, it doesn't look like this one's got any batteries in it either. Well, that's pretty cheesy. All right, well, let me see if I've got some fairy lights. All right, time for the glue gun again. So I glued this on with my Green Stuff World. Okay, so it says that this is very fragile. Okay, so all right, I'm trying to wrap this around my finger. Oh, Lord. Probably shouldn't have done it so tight. Okay. Okay. Just trying to cool it off.
This video is part of our monthly collab with the Friendship Express train, hosted by Susie at Serendipity Creations, Sally at All Aboard Resin Creations, and Tina at Pours Resin with Love. Be sure to check out the playlist in the description below.
Ugh. God dang it. I'm going to put some more of these on there. I don't know how I'm going to stick these on there.
On the ocean floor where the moonlight plays, lived a little sea urchin counting quiet days, covered up in spines with a heart so bright, dreaming of a way to shine through the night. Then a tiny star whispered, "Don't be afraid, even the smallest glow can never truly fade." Now I'm a little lamp, glowing soft and warm, lighting up the sea through the common storm. From a prickly shell to a golden spark, helping every traveler find their way through the dark. Oh, twinkle, twinkle, gentle and bright, a sea urchin's dream lights up the night. The crabs all danced and the fish swam near, following the glow with a happy cheer. Seahorses smiled as the kelp swayed slow, wrapped in the warmth of the urchin's glow. You don't have to be the sun above, just a little light filled with hope and love. Every tiny sparkle has a part to play, turning darkest evenings into brighter days. I'm a little lamp, shining far and wide, with the waves and the moon as my faithful guide. From the deep blue sea to the starry sky, I'll keep on glowing as the tides roll by. So if you feel small, let your heart ignite like a sea urchin lamp, lighting up